What's up guys, my name is Ryan45678 and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be fixing some broken glassware, specifically a French press that I bought from Goodwill, and like a dummy, didn't check before I bought it, and wouldn't you know it, this is what it is right now. When I took it out of the box at home, it was cracked all the way up until here, and also like a dummy, I tried to wash it, subsequently causing this piece to go just like that. So, rather than returning it, which I'm pretty sure I could do since it's broken, but I'm the kind of person that likes to fix things when they're broken and not throw them away or return them. That's just the way I work. So, before we get started, I just want to say, don't forget to leave a like on the video if you do end up liking it. Dislike it if you don't, I don't care. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Check out what I have posted already, which isn't much. And also, if you want to support this channel in any way, I have affiliate links in the description. One for Amazon and a bunch of other Amazon links specifically to my gear. So check those out if you're interested. So, let's get started. What we're going to be doing to fix this, I'll put a link to the video above that I found on how to do this. Apparently, you just use 5-minute epoxy, and you use acetone once it's fully cured to get the excess away, and then voila, it's just like new. Alright, so the first, oh, okay, that came off easy. We're gonna get the epoxy out. Drop it, otherwise it won't work. I don't know how much we'll need, or if this is even gonna come out. Well, there goes my plans. Alright, that's kind of why I got multiple toothpicks, because I didn't know how many I would need. I'm just gonna push that one through. That should do that. This one, do the same on the other side. Oh, that feels really hard. I think this stuff might be dead. Well then, this is going excellently. Well, so much for that. We do have some of this PC7 stuff, and we probably have some JB Weld lying around, but I don't think that's the same as 5-minute epoxy, and I don't know if acetone would work to get rid of the excess, so I'm not going to use that. And also, to be perfectly honest, I don't know if this is a good idea to be using for food glass. I know you can do it for just glass in general, but who knows? So I don't recommend this, but if you want to do it, it's your decision. Maybe a hammer would work, because I squished the toothpick in there some more, and it's actually kind of gooey on that side. All right, y'all ready for this? It hurts. It hurts so good. Oh, okay, some came out. Good. It's not an even amount, but there we go. Hammer saves the day. Now, I don't know exactly how much we'll need for this. Now, here comes the fun part. We get to mix these for a good bit. The guy in the video I watched said 2 minutes, so it sets faster, so you don't have to sit there and wait and hold it while it sets. So we'll do something like that. I don't know, this epoxy may not be any good. It's supposed to be clear. I don't know why it's all white and goopy. Yeah, that looks disgusting. I'm not going to use that. Alright, so I just got back from Home Depot. I got some Gorilla Glue and some acetone, which we'll be using later. Oh yeah, look at this stuff. It kind of worked, but it's kind of gooey, and I don't know that would have done well, so I'm glad I didn't use that. It seems like every time you buy something again, they have a new design, like a different cap. Maybe it's better, I don't know. Ah, they're jerks. They make it to where you can't put the cap on. That's stupid. Why is this stuff not coming out? There we go. Okay, now it's even. I'm not going to use that either because it's not even. So we'll I can't even. There we go, that's plenty. That's actually way too much, but it'll work. So, I guess, do I just stick this back on? It's not going to work too well. Nah, it's not going to work at all. I'll just use the old one later. But right now, we need to mix. I don't know why I broke that. I'm an idiot. Alright. Get to mixing. Alright, so that's been a minute at least, and maybe 2 minutes, so that's about as good as it's going to get. And you're supposed to clean things before you epoxy them, but this was a clean break, so I would assume that it's already clean. But yeah, we're gonna slather this stuff on there and hope for the best. I'm gonna go real heavy with it because I want this to stay. I love me the smell of epoxy in the morning, even though it's, well, I guess technically it still is morning. It's almost 12. No, I take that back. It's almost 1. It's not morning. Whatever. Just make sure you get the whole thing, otherwise you'll miss a part. You'll miss a part. Okay. I don't know. I don't think you have to put epoxy on both surfaces. You can. And there we go. I think. Oh, yep. That's about right. Okay. Now you kind of hold this with pressure for a little bit until it sets. Don't worry again about the excess squirting out everywhere. We'll wipe that away once it's cured. And I want to mention again, I don't know if this is safe to do for food related glass. I'm just doing it because I'm too lazy to return this thing and I don't really feel like looking for another one. So do this at your own risk unless it's something that's not food related. I don't know. Just glue it! Yeah, that feels like a pretty tight, pretty good fit. It feels smooth. I don't feel any extra stuff. It's not facing the wrong way or anything. There's no glass sticking out, so I'm just gonna, I don't know why I'm doing that. But just squeeze it together right now. Okay. I don't know how long I need to do this. I'll do it as long as it takes, I guess. It's supposed to set in 5 minutes, so should only be really 3 minutes. The gorilla is strong with this one. The reason you want pressure is obviously you want it to be a good fit, and the guy in the video made a good point that if you don't and there are cracks, then when you do the acetone, it's going to be able to eat through the epoxy that you want to keep, like in between the cracks, and you'll be starting over or something. Okay, so I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to wiggle it to make sure it's good. I'm just going to leave it. I think that's fine. So we'll come back in about a day and wipe it off with acetone and see how it worked. Okay, so we've waited 2 days. I don't think I needed to wait that long, but this looks pretty good. It looks like it's pretty much repaired. So we're going to take some acetone, open it up, and chug it. Just kidding. I don't know. I bought this at Home Depot and it seems like it might have been open. I should have realized that when I picked it up, but it isn't. It feels like the level's about here, but I might be wrong. And yeah, it's like half, maybe half full. Somebody was huffing some acetone. I could be wrong. I don't know. But yeah, make sure when you get this acetone out, breathe in real deep. Just kidding. Don't do that either. It's probably bad for you. So I don't know how this works, but I'm just gonna do it. It's basically nail polish remover in a way. It doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would, but it should be able to dissolve this stuff. At least that's what the internet told me, so it's got to be true. Yeah, I did have quite a bit here, so that may take a while. Ugh, strong. I'm getting a whiff of it now. Maybe I should do that slow. Ah, sound. Oh, beautiful sound. Oh, it's not dissolving as fast as I thought it would. It's supposed to dissolve. I specifically bought Gorilla Glue because Loctite said it was solvent resistant. Hopefully this stuff isn't. Oh no, it's kind of working. It's taking a while, but it's working. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I worry about the inside. Just set the thing on there and let it set. I don't know. I don't think there's as much on the inside. It's gonna take a while. A lot longer than I thought. Oh, yeah, I probably shouldn't be touching the acetone, but it's kind of late for that now. This isn't a tutorial, by the way, if you didn't know that. I'm just showing you me doing this. If you want to do it the way I did it, you can, but I'm putting a link. Oh, that's strong. I'm putting a link to the video that I saw this at. I mean, this is what he did, like, pretty much. He just used different epoxy, but do at your own risk. And I don't honestly know if this is good for food vessels. I don't know. I guess you'll find out if I'm dead. Nah, I mean, it can't be that bad. Obviously, I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm not gonna like wash it out with acetone and then put milk in it. You know, I wonder if paint thinner would have done the same thing. I bet it would have. It's not doing a whole lot. Oh, that's I feel a lip in the glass. So it didn't do a perfect seal. But that's okay. We weren't in this for perfection. Alright, so I'm trying a lot more. It's almost liquid, I guess. Hoping that will get it all off. Because the damp rag doesn't seem to be doing it. Maybe the wet rag will. Of course, it dries so fast. It's one of its supposed perks. It dries fast, but I need it liquid. I probably should have wiped it off better before I let it cure, honestly. That's probably why I'm having so much trouble. Scratching it actually seems to be working. Try that. Maybe try a razor blade scratching. His fingernails don't seem to work too good. Hey, that actually does work somewhat. Doesn't work too good by the lip, but it works. Alright, so you can't tell, but this is done. The outside is obviously still sticky. I think I'm going to leave that though, because it might honestly be the thing that's holding it together the best. I wiped down one last time with acetone, and I ended up having to use a razor blade to scrape some of this where I couldn't get to it. So, and it just wouldn't come off completely with fingernails. So now what we'll do is rinse it out, wash it, and test it out. Well, it does hold water, which is a good sign. Okay, it looks fine. So let's rinse this thing off and try it out. Okay, time for the test fit. See if it actually works. Okay. Yeah, seems good. That'll work. Let's try with some milk. Milk. Good old cow 2.0. Just fill it, oh, what did I do? There we go. Of course, I fixed the crack and I still spill it on the counter. Now, the real test will be, it obviously doesn't leak currently, but the real test will be if it leaks when I do this. But can I do this? Probably could have put more milk in there, but that's okay. And I wish this was turnable. I don't want that to be there. I don't want it to come out, but we'll see. It's gonna take a while. Ah, of course it's coming out already. This is so satisfying. Alright, I think that's about all I can handle. I'm gonna see how it turned out. Wow, that's cool. That's like whipped cream, but milk. Alright, let's pour the frothy milk. Wow. See how it tastes. Wow. That's so weird. It's like unsweetened whipped cream. Now, I don't drink coffee, but I like the way it tastes. So maybe I start drinking coffee if it's got stuff like this in it. I'm glad I made this and fixed the thing, and yeah, that's good. But yeah, that's a foaming success, I would say. Fixed it, and now we can make foamy milk. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and if you want to support this channel, I've got affiliate links in the description below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.